Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the topic antimatter propulsion. So let's start the journey. We will be categorizing the concepts in a concept line for the better understanding of the concepts. First topic is antimatter. This has been one of the controversial topic in the science world. Let's see how we can just make this understand what is antimatter. As you understood it by the name, antimatter are matter composed of electrons and protons with same mass but opposite sign to that of matter particles. Some real facts that we don't know about antimatter. Scientists have seen evidence that thunder and lightning produce antimatter, but this is destabilized and the matter collides to form pure energy. Even when you eat banana you produce antimatter, which is in potassium 40. When we see the applications of antimatter, it is used in medical field, in PET scanning and various other equipments. We also use them in the weapons and fuels too. Where is antimatter produced naturally? Basically, antimatter is produced at a very minute scale naturally. We can see them in Van Allen belts of Earth, cosmic rays produced on Earth, and sometimes in the form of geothermal antimatter. Nowadays, due to lack of natural antimatter, we produce them artificially. This is done in the LHC Large Hadron Collider at CERN. However, the maximum production that takes place in LHC is also very minute. It is also formed in nuclear fission process. The antiproton decelerator is purely producing antimatter substance, however these two are very small in range. New decelerator ELENA has been commissioned to produce antimatter at a bit faster rate. Until now only two types of rocket based on antimatter have found. Firstly, the propellers based on the direct use of reaction product, and other one based on the usage of an exhaust fluid, mainly gas core, solid ablation and plasma core. Let's see the advantages of using antimatter propulsion. First point is that it is 100% efficient as it is converted into pure energy in contact with matter. Secondly, we will be getting high thrust at very small amount of antimatter. Thirdly, the impulse of the rocket is also very high. Fourth, the speed of the rocket will be almost speed of light or sometimes more, defying the laws of physics. Wow, that's amazing. Talking about the disadvantages of antimatter based rockets is that firstly, it is very low in quantity naturally and artificially both. The storage of antimatter is expensive, and also we can store them for less time, only up to 10 nanograms. Next, it is the world's most costliest substance. Antimatter can cause heavy soil erosion and lead to harmful disease on Earth. Second topic is interstellar travel. This is a small and interesting topic. As you have read it by the name, some questions will arise in your mind. Mainly, what is interstellar? Interstellar can be defined as the distance between space and stars in the galaxy. This may be done by interstellar probes or crewed spacecraft. Interstellar travel requires a high speed, and this is actually far away for present mankind. It may even require a speed of light also. Some methods of interstellar travel are nuclear-powered rocket engine, space-based laser array, antimatter fuel, spacecraft based by dark matter and warp drive. Third topic is asteroid and planetary mining. It is actually as simple as you guess. Asteroid and some planets have high resources. These resources can be used human beings for their basic needs. The value of an asteroid resource is almost 100% value of that of Earth resource. This is because of compensation of the cargo charge and fuel pricing. 4. Solutions to some of drawbacks of antimatter propulsion. In the current situation, if we are able to scale up the size of Large Hadron Collider and increase the storage time and size, most of our problems can be solved. However, we could compensate it with the cost of asteroid and planetary mining. To reduce soil erosion and damage on Earth and organisms can be negotiated by using normal rocket fuel as of now to bring the spaceship out of Earth's orbit and deploy spaceship run on antimatter fuel. 5. Prescribed model of rocket and spaceship. Our rocket will named as ASLV, derived from Antimatter Spaceship Launch Vehicle. This is a cargo rocket that brings up the spaceship of antimatter fuel outside Earth's orbit. The rocket is around 230 feet or 70 meters, which weigh about 1420 ton. It has a diameter of 12 meters. This is a payload rocket that can carry of 26,000 kg. It is primarily made up of aluminum. Iron is the spaceship which runs on antimatter fuel and is deployed outside Earth's orbit. It is named after Antimatter Yarn. It has a height of 10 meter and length of 30 meter. This spaceship is made of an alloy comprising aluminum, titanium and urethane foam. It can carry a weight of 16,800 kilograms, which breaks the record of spaceship that carried maximum weight. Thank you.